स्टूडेंट्स, ये एक शॉर्ट वीडियो है स्पेसिफिकली क्योंकि क्वेरीज बहुत ज़्यादा आ गई थी बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रीवियस वीडियो जो मैंने डाला था। तो एक दो चीज़ें मैं आपको क्लियर कर दूं यहाँ पे। फर्स्ट इज द ओल्ड कोर्स स्टूडेंट जो है, डेफिनेटली स्टूडेंट्स एट मेनी लेवल्स इट हैज़ ऑलरेडी बिग पुट अक्रॉस टू द ICI कि ये इतने डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन की वजह से ऑब्वियसली स्टूडेंट्स को एक तो बेनिफिट मिलना चाहिए फॉर एटलीस्ट वन अटेम्प्ट का, आप वो दिलवा दें, इफ नॉट टू अटेम्प्ट। तो ICI एटलीस्ट वुड बी लुकिंग वेरी पॉजिटिवली। उन्होंने बोला है कि क्योंकि ऑब्वियस बात है कि लॉकडाउन की वजह से कोई ऑफिस फंक्शन भी नहीं कर रहा, तो ऑफिशियली आज की तारीख पे ये सोचना कि हमें कुछ उनसे ये आपको ऑफिशियल एक कोई कम्युनिकेशन मिलेगा डिफिकल्ट है क्योंकि बिकॉज द लॉकडाउन फैक्टर। बट दे हैव इन फैक्ट सेड दैट दिस वी हैव ऑलरेडी हैव वुड बी टेकिंग, उनकी मीटिंग होती है तो वो मीटिंग में ये पॉइंट को रखेंगे। तो वी आर क्वाइट होपफुल कि आपको जो ओल्ड कोर्स स्टूडेंट्स है आपको एक्सटेंशन मिलेगा। लेकिन प्लीज आप लोग तैयारी तो ऐसी करें कि ये लास्ट अटेम्प्ट है, ठीक है? ये चीज ध्यान रखना स्टूडेंट्स, बिकॉज एक होता है ना अपने आप से अब कोशिश ईमानदार होनी चाहिए। मैं तो यही बात हूँ, सर्कमस्टेंसेस कैसा भी रहे कोशिश आपकी ईमानदार होनी चाहिए, बस आपको ये करना है। क्योंकि देखो कुछ भी हो जाए ना कोई तो ऊपर देख ही रहा है आपको। चलो एक्सटेंशन मिल भी गया, लेकिन आप इस समय पे मेहनत कर सकते थे जो कि नहीं किया आपने। तो उस समय पे किसने तो आपको देखा है ये चीज करते हुए, और आप इस चीज का फिर नाजायज फायदा उठा रहे हो। तो बस ये है ना स्टूडेंट्स की, देखिए आप ऐसे तैयारी करें कि आपका लास्ट अटेम्प्ट है, बट वी आर क्वाइट होपफुल दैट द थिंग्स शुड फॉल इन प्लेस। लेकिन मैं भी चेतावनी दे रहा हूँ स्टूडेंट्स कि आप अगर लैक्सिटी अगर दिखा दिए इस समय पे कि चलो ठीक है ना कि लगता है कि चांसेस ज्यादा है तो थोड़ा ढीले ढीले पड़ेंगे, तो ढीले ढीले पड़ेंगे और एक्सटेंशन भी हो गया तो समझ जाना किसने आपको देखा है। somebody has watched you primarily about the laxity of the approach, उसका वो पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन की माफी नहीं मिलेगी। तो कोशिश ईमानदार रखें आप अपना, और ऐसा समझ के चले कि लास्ट अटेम्प्ट में वी आर होपफुल, आप ज्यादा स्ट्रेस ना लें। सेकेंडली स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने काफी पहले भी वीडियो में बताया था, जो स्टूडेंट्स अनफॉर्चुनेटली ये कोविड की वजह से प्लस देयर फैमिली मेंबर्स या जैसे भी है ग्रसित है कोविड की वजह से, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट they are not in a position to really do a full-fledged justice to their studies and all. Even for those students, I had made this communication, and primarily मैंने आपको यही कहा था students, and even those who have come out and they are in the recovery phase, मैंने आपको क्या बोला था? I just told you certain things students. Health is a priority at this stage. Examinations, which as I told you, looking into the situation, at least the ICI should be considerate enough to give you the opt-out facility. वो जो मुझे ज़्यादा इसके chances लग रहे हैं कि if they don't push the attempt, then at least they will give you one more attempt for the opt-out वाला thing, which is something which has been like in the last attempt also for the January, हमने देखा था कि काफ़ी students they have overwhelmingly they have taken this particular opt-out because of the constraint which has been there. However, अभी भी आपके लिए भी ये सेम पॉलिसी एप्लीकेबल है, लाइक स्टूडेंट्स हाउ यू शुड बी लुकिंग एट इट। मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था अपने कम्युनिकेशन में भी, अभी भी मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, प्लीज ट्राई टू आइडेंटिफाई द बेस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स जो आपके डेज में, लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल एज आई ऑल्सो कम्युनिकेटेड दैट आई कैन स्टडी इन द मॉर्निंग। मैं मॉर्निंग में अपने आप को एनर्जेटिक फील करता हूँ, सो आई विल एंश्योर दैट विच इज अ टाइम वेन आई कैन रियली स्टडी एंड ऑल। और कब मुझे फैटिग आ जाता बिकॉज ऑफ द इम्यूनिटी फैक्टर, व्हेन द फैटिग स्टार्ट्स। तो एक जो आदमी जिस कोविड हुआ है या कोविड के बाद जो रिकवरी फेज है, आफ्टर कोविड वॉट एवर इज द रिकवरी फेज, वी शुड बी इन अ पोजिशन टू आइडेंटिफाई व्हाट इज द टाइम वेर इन वी फील बिट एनर्जेटिक, ट्राई टू कैपिटलाइज ऑन दैट, एंड द टाइम वेन वी आर फीलिंग वेरी फैटिग, थकावट है, एट दैट स्टेज स्टूडेंट्स आइदर वी टेक अ रेस्ट at that stage itself, and unnecessary stretch करके फायदा नहीं है। और if something has to be studied, very easiest of the topic, but I still feel easiest of the topic should not be even looked into it, because as I told you, it is better to take a rest because easiest of topic can be wrapped up later on also. Many students are thinking that, but sir, when we compare with others who are fully fit, they are studying and they are studying very hard, and we are finding ourselves primarily studying very less. कंपेरिजन आ गए ना आप लोग में। अब मैं आपको बताता हूँ, बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव द एक्सपीरियंस, यू डोंट हैव द एग्जाम्पल विच आई हैव इट। आई कैन रिकॉल स्टूडेंट्स 3 to 4 पर्टिकुलर example which I had, at least those students who have spoken in front of me. ये चीज़ उन्होंने बताई हुई चीज़ है. One was a typhoid student, hospitalized probably for around 20-25 days. Just was she came a week before the examination. उन्होंने हॉस्पिटल में कुछ बुक्स भी लेके कोशिश की थी बट वहाँ पे नहीं हो पाया. So she have given up to study in the hospital, and then just a week before she came there in this particular thing. उसको समझ पे आ पाया, उसने उतना पढ़ाई किया था. लास्ट डे पे क्या देखना था, शी जस्ट वॉज ट्राइंग टू make up her mind as to what she is going to refer on the last day of the examination. She did that. She got around 442 cleared. एक और सिचुएशन बता देता हूँ. एक फैमिली में जस्ट बिफोर लाइक 18th of April, सेकेंड में एग्जामिनेशन वॉज देयर. 18th of April, फादर डाइड. प्रेशर ऑल टुगेदर, बोलते ना कि एवरीथिंग स्टार्ट क्रैम्बलिंग डाउन इन द फैमिली, and all this particular in this pressure, and we all know in the rituals has to be performed, the 13-day rituals and all this. So everything that in fact वो बहुत चीज को मैनेज कर करके this particular student have given the examination, qualified with 408. And couple of more things within this particular thing. Examination के first day FR का paper, next day, I'm not talking about the COVID period, it is just way back. Second day he has to be hospitalized, पूरे दिन hospitalized रह के. In fact then the very next day he has to give the examination. So एक दिन का off जो रहता है, so that one day off that he will get it. So got discharged in the next day, came back to the home, and thereafter he started off studying the SFM. Now just see the relative factor when you compare with what? Compare with the other particular person who have been studying SFM immediately after FR, and this student has to be hospitalized immediately after FR and got discharged on the next day. So we have got empty examples. There are students who are doing a job primarily, and they hardly get 4 to 5 hours a day wherein they have to do the job and go for the examination. I have seen myself one student working in JP Morgan, Saturday and Sunday only and off, and then thereafter what he and she used to do, primarily again the same thing, Saturday and Sunday off, capitalize on that, and every day study for 3 to 4 hours, and got the leave only for the day of the examination, because they are the company, they are the corporate, they are not going to give you the 1 month leave or so. These 1 month leaves are something which is reserved only for the CFO. And what happened? 1 month group he gave, and he qualified and became chartered accountant. So just imagine, you are getting the examination, you are only getting the off for the day of the examination, and just think of it like, tomorrow would be my examination, today 6 o'clock I am in the office, and then I am coming back to my home and then studying, and then tomorrow I have to write the paper. These are the students who have done it. My only submission to all of you is that please don't take stress. This is a time not to take a stress, but as I told you, 4 to 5 hours. आप समझ के चलो 4 to 5 hours. It's not that you don't know. It's only about how to consolidate in a much better way. This is what you need to only look upon at this stage. तो आप consolidation में चले जाओ. You just think of it that I just wanted to consolidate, as if that now I will be going for my examination, say after 2 or 3 days. So how I'm supposed to consolidate? What are the key areas of every topic? You just try to rehearse. What I will suggest you students, try to rehearse what you're going to do 1.5 days before the exam. This is exactly what you're supposed to do. क्या करना है आपने? What you're going to do 1.5 days before the examination, try to rehearse that performance right now. And you will be surprised. Maybe you will be lucky, because as I told you, कोशिश अगर आपकी ईमानदार है, then as I have told you earlier students, that somebody is watching, and you will be surprised that there can be some opt-out scheme by the ICI, or maybe the examination day can be pushed across. Then you will definitely will have at that point of time much of space also to maneuver. But right now, health is a priority, and second is how to approach. Try to rehearse 1.5 days, and that is how you start consolidating. Do it 2 times. I think that is the best way, because limited time. Try to rehearse how I'm supposed to wrap up now my subjects, looking into the fact that my examinations are due, say for example 5th of July, 15th of July. Think from that perspective. If tomorrow the facility comes of the opt-out, or the facility of the examinations get pushed further, that is a different league altogether. But presently at this stage, you should try, if you are revising it, revise it in this way. आप बोलोगे बट सर देयर आर सम टॉपिक्स फॉर विच आई एम नॉट fully prepared. What to do about that? Try to finish it off. Allocate like 1 hour, 2 hour a day and try to finish it off those topics. It is not that you are doing it for the first time. ऐसा तो होगा नहीं ना कि पहली बार आप कर रहे हो. So it's not about the fact that you are doing it for the first time. Try to plan it that way, students, and keep faith. Everything will fall in place. एक चीज ध्यान रखना students, you are in a very difficult time, and don't be afraid of failure, at least on this point of time of your juncture, because everyone knows. Even a big company tomorrow, they will know. You should just be in a position to see eye to eye with the interviewer. वो हिम्मत होनी चाहिए. और वो जानते हो हिम्मत कैसे आती है? When you have done the hard work with full honesty. बोलते हैं ना कोशिश ईमानदार थी. तो वही मैंने कि भाई इतना ही था, मैं यही कर पाया. हालात वैसे नहीं थे और सबको पता है. मतलब कि ऐसे देखो तो पूरे इंडिया में लाश है कि लाशें बिछ रही है. सो दैट इज हाउ एवरीवन हैज सीन इट. ये ऐसा नहीं कि किसी एक तबके को ही छू के जा रहा है. Everyone is affected primarily by this particular pandemic. So everyone knows this kind of a scenario. But what they will look into it is your character. Within the constraint, this is exactly what I've done it. And this you should be in a position to showcase it to your interviewers as and when the interview round will happen. This is what primary students, ये चीज़ ही आपसे देखा जाएगा. It's a character which comes into play. Be a fighter, students. But as I told you, fighter, when I say it, 6 hours, try to revise your plan, try to revise your thoughts, change your thoughts. Now, how the best thing, if I were you, मुझे 6 घंटे ही पढ़ने हैं, because of the limitation which I have got it from my health reason, this is what I would have done it. क्या करता था मैं? I would have rehearsed the 1.5 days for every subject 2 times. And as I told you, some topics which I would not have been that comfortable, I would have taken a day, 1 hour every day, and try to work upon on those topics in such a way that at least I will try to achieve my comfort zone on those topics. If not a full grip, 100% grip शायद नहीं होगा. लेकिन उन टॉपिक्स में मैं अपने आप को कंफर्ट जोन में जरूर लेकर आऊंगा. So these are the 2 things which I thought just to communicating to all of you. And also students, as I told you, the special bullet revision free class, quickly SCMP and direct tax, which would be starting from 1st of June. Timing for DT it is 10:45, and for SCMP it is I think before that. देख लें आप लोग what is the timing, which the link I am giving it in the description box. You can take this particular benefit also, because this is a free session for which you can take this particular benefit of this bullet revision. Okay students, all the best. Don't be afraid students. What I told you, only one thing, कोशिश ईमानदार होनी चाहिए. The effort should be with full honesty and with full integrity. My best wishes. May God bless to all of you. Thank you. Please take care of your health. That is the first and the foremost priority. Thank you.